As summer brings warm atmosphere around, it practically sends bugs, mold, mildew a VIP invitation to invade our homes. It's the only season where you need to be extra cautious in terms of keeping your home clean and tidy. There are so many things which need attention like trash cans, the wall behind it, the oily sticky cabinets in your kitchen, and many more such things in your home. Let's talk about all these things and see how we can manage them.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some summer hacks which will help you out in keeping your home neat, clean, organized and fresh also. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
While cooking, the oil splatters and deposits all over the kitchen, especially near the stove, at the side of the cabinets and below it. For this, just take a wet magic eraser and rub around the grime. It will not take time and your cabinets will also be clean. After that, simply take a wet cloth and clean it nicely. In summers, it's a much bigger problem as this layer can melt and may get into the food. A very simple hack which can save time as well as mess around your stove. Hot summer weather creates the perfect environment for bacteria to grow in your trash cans. And when this happens, you are also left with some unpleasant smell. First, fill the trash cans with 2 mugs of water. This will help remove any loose dirt and also wet your garbage can for cleaning. Now we have to make a solution. So add 2 cups of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dish soap and add 4 cups of water. Take an old scrubber and scrub it nicely using this solution from all the sides. The vinegar will help to kill any germs and deodorizes the can, while dish soap will help loosen up dirt and grime. Now clean it nicely with water and add the remaining solution into the bin. Add more water and let it sit for some time. Once you're done, clean it with the normal water, put it upside down and then keep it in the sun to let it air dry properly. While you're cleaning the trash can, don't forget the wall behind it. Splatters and spills can quickly build up there from us tossing trash into the bin. To accomplish this task, I just take an all-purpose cleaner, spray it and leave it for 2 minutes so that the grime will loosen up and then simply take an old scrubber and scrub the exposed areas. For hard to reach areas like these, take an old toothbrush to clean it. If the build is hard, then take a magic eraser for cleaning. If you see rust on the hinges, just simply take a de-rust spray and spray it nicely and you will see the difference on your own. The kitchen sink stopper can quickly collect all sorts of yucky grime. Look at this one, it looks so dirty from the back. So to clean it, I take an old toothbrush and dish soap. Clean it from both the sides. Now in summers, because of hot weather, the food gets spoiled fast and leaves bacteria, molds and bad smell. So time to time, proper cleaning of stoppers are also required. Once when you are done, just simply clean it with normal water and see the difference. Your kitchen will look like $1,000,000 and as a bonus, they will be 99.9% germ free. Summer is here and for many of us it means more time spent relaxing at home due to hot weather outside. Why not try something to defy the outside feel? Buy flower arrangement for your home. Sometimes when we arrange flowers in a vase, they just get scattered and based on the kind of flowers you are using, it might not look nice for your house. For instance, this is what I am trying to say. Now to nicely fix this, you can use an old toothbrush holder. It has these slots which makes the arrangement stand out and it makes your house look beautiful and fresh all the time. Have you ever seen bugs in your greens when you open the kitchen cabinets? Then you must be aware of what the pantry bugs are. So we can do small home remedies to take care of these properly. You can use cinnamon. When bugs smell cinnamon, they will stay away. So keep 1 to 2 sticks in the greens. Place cinnamon sticks in various areas of your kitchen to keep them away. We keep the snacks in the packet if they're half finished, and then we keep them in the pantry like this. Sometimes the product inside the containers fall in the cabinets, which invite bugs, ants and spiders. To keep them away, use peppermint essential oil in a cotton ball. Ants and spiders detest the smell of peppermint. Now place these in any cabinets where you store snacks, chips or any items that may entice bugs. If they smell peppermint, they will retreat. Apart from this, peppermint would bring refreshing smell all over as in when you open the cabinet. Nothing beats coming inside on a warm spring day to a home that smells so fresh and clean. For that, just take any essential oil of your choice and some cotton balls. Loosen up the cotton ball and add some essential oil to it. Now you can keep these balls behind the cushion covers. You can also keep some in the vase of fake flowers or in the study area. In my last video, also I have shared a DIY fabric freshener spray. I like both these hacks because they leave a soothing and refreshing smell in my home. In summer, there is so much humidity and that is always there in the closet. To avoid that, there's a good trick to use chalks. Keep some chalks in a bowl and then keep this bowl at the back of the shelf. This will help to absorb all the moisture from the inside and keep all your clothes fresh all the time. In summers only, the wardrobe smells so dirty because we keep our used clothes that adds up odor in the closet. To get rid of that, you can use essential oil of your choice and put some in the cotton ball. Just throw this cotton ball at the back of the shelf and refill it bi-monthly. This will always make all your clothes smell nice. The temperature is slowly rising and it means the warm weather seeping in through your open windows, so you're bound to also find things like dust, pollen and dander entering your home. The only way to combat this issue is to, while you're sweeping or mopping, make sure that you sweep the balconies first. Collect the dust in a pan and then make sure you will close the doors. Then only come inside and sweep inside your home. Same applies while you mop. Close the balcony door and then mop the floor. This will reduce much of your time and you will see less dust inside your homes. With winters gone, it's time to bid goodbye to all your woolen sheets and keep them back nicely inside the closet. In summers, try to use cotton bed sheets. I have a good collection of cotton sheets because they're so breathable and keep you cool when you sleep. But the cotton bed sheets may get ruined fast with all the jumping on the bed or when you wake up in the morning. So I have a nice hack for you. Next time when you put a new sheet on the bed, try to leave extra on the headboard side compared to the other one and make the bed as you regularly do. Now this will make your job super easy when you make your bed in the morning by just simply pulling the sheet towards the leg side and the job is done. This would make the job easy for making the bed on regular basis. Make sure you are prepared for the summers in advance. Get your AC serviced and in every 2 weeks take out the filters and clean them thoroughly. This will increase the life of your AC and also keeps the air cool throughout the season. Clean the blades and the exterior of the AC with the help of a DIY all-purpose cleaner. This will surely make your job easy. Next time when you call someone for servicing, ask them how to remove the filters if you have any doubts in removing it. Couple of simple things done, even exteriors would make your equipment work better. Summer is a time for all the juicy fruits, and the most favorites of mine are mangoes and watermelon. When you cut the watermelon, make sure to cut it near the sink so that all the residue will be easily taken care of by just simply throwing it in the sink. Otherwise, the whole kitchen becomes messy at the time of cleaning. You can also use these kind of silicone covers which comes in different sizes and are perfect to cover the other half of the melon. Just simply keep them inside the refrigerator and next time when you take it out, it will be all fresh and juicy.
Before I end this video, I want to share some products which I've recently received from Mamaearth.
First is this Mamaearth's Upton face wash. I have been using it for quite a while and I have seen some very good results on my face. Upton face wash helps to keep your skin glowing. It has turmeric and saffron which helps to reduce the skin tanning and nourishes your skin. After washing the face, I apply this Mamaearth's Upton face serum. It nicely blends in your skin and keeps your skin hydrated and nourished all the time. All Mamaearth products are free from any harmful chemical and they're natural. You can use my code which is record2022 for extra 20% off at mamaearth.in. You can also buy it from Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Mamaearth has recently launched their official app. Users can get early access to their sales and get extra discount.
This is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these summer hacks useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.